LM4 was built in 1930, and within just a few months of being built, the car was here at Brooklands in its first ever race. The car came second in its class and fourth overall, which was a pretty amazing result for what was essentially a brand new car. Later in 1930, LM4 raced at the Irish Grand Prix, winning its class and coming a very credible 7th overall. The car had a very short career with the factory, but went on to race here at Brooklands another 5 times in period. So it had a really kind of successful racing career in its early days. But the best thing of all about this car is it survived all this time really as it left the factory. Normally, common practice back then at the factory was to remove the racing 2-seat body and fit it with a 2-4-seat body. When the car was sold, it was sold with its original body. So LM4, in my opinion, and in many other people's opinions over the years, is one of the best looking of the team cars. It's green, of course. It's got this lovely cutaway door. It's very similar to the 2-door sports body, but without the doors. So it's a good looking car. So LM4 in the mid-90s had a restoration, and then at the end of that, it took part in the first 3 Le Mans Classics. The other great thing about LM4 is that this car was driven in 1930 by Bert Batelli, who at the time was effectively the CEO of Aston Martin. In 2006, the car raced at Le Mans Classic and was driven by Dr. Ulrich Betz, CEO of Aston Martin in 2006. So it's one of the few cars really that can claim to have been driven by 2 different CEOs of Aston Martin. LM4 is really a great car that you can jump in and go. You can use it for these fantastic events that are held around the world nowadays. So things like the Goodwood events, that's the members meeting, the Festival of Speed, the Revival, Le Mans Classic, and best of all, it also qualifies for the Monaco Classic Grand Prix. And really enjoy pre-war motoring. And watching it today, driving on the track, really kind of brings that home.